Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is like my 7th attempt of doing this because I just keep screwing up, but that's okay. Sometimes you just have days just like that and nothing works out. Anyways, welcome. Thank you so much for checking this out. Today I'm going to be showing you one method of folding paper into an envelope and 4 ways of attaching it. Should be easy, short, not going to make this any longer than it has to. So yeah, let's get into it. So, I am using paper that, basically was an art project that I was doing with little kids. So obviously I'm not going to hang it up or do anything with it. So I'm just going to chop it up into rectangles. And I'm not going to leave any measurements in the description box like I would normally. And that is because, envelopes, they can be big, small, just make it however big you need it to be. So once you have your piece of paper, you're going to fold it up and leave a little bit, I'd say like half an inch at least, at the top, just so you can fold it over and that can kind of be the closing bit. And on the bottom half, you're going to cut out 2 rectangles on both sides, just like I'm showing in the video because I cannot explain out loud. And once you have that chopped off, you're going to fold it back up and then chop 2 more rectangles off of the top section and then basically just fold the sides down. I like to make my edges, I like to either round them out or cut slanted corners because I feel like that just looks better, but hey, this is all up to you. This is just what I'm doing, just an example. So once I have that, I'm just going to take some Scotch double-sided tape roller thingies. I don't know what it's called, but I love this. I started using it like 4 years ago and it's so easy to use. It rolls straight on. So that's the first method of doing it. You're just going to fold it back down and bam, you have an envelope, and it's pretty great and should be durable if you did it right. I don't know how you could do this wrong, but just me saying, just in case. The second method is using some tape. You can use washi tape, blue tape, Dutch tape? What is Dutch? Not Dutch tape. What is that? Duct tape. Did I seriously say? This is why I cannot talk today. Duct tape. Thank you. And just strap them sides down and that's about it. For the third method, you can use a stapler because really easy. You go ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. That's about it. No explanation needed there. And for the fourth and final method, my favorite, but also kind of the longest, is to use a sewing machine. And I did a video where I used a sewing machine for a letter, for a pen paling thing. I'll leave the description above. I'll leave the link above. But I'm just gonna sew it, and it's just so satisfying to sew paper, okay? I didn't know you could do this, but if you have a sewing machine, I recommend you trying out. It looks so neat and professional. It's my favorite way, even though it's kind of, not practice. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's cool. But keep in mind, if you're stapling or sewing or anything kind of like that, you're going to lose a little bit of room on both sides of the envelope, but it's a fraction. It doesn't really matter. I just wanted to point that out just in case. So yeah, I just made a whole bunch of envelopes out of this first grade paper stuff,